everyone, Ray here. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are BPI account holders, we all know that the bank is migrating to a new app. I've done some BPI videos before, but using the old app. Just to refresh you guys on the steps, I've shown you how to open an account, how to generate your QR code, how to enroll your billers, how to invest, and other videos still apply. The user interface just changed a bit, and in this video, we'll go through a quick navigation of the new app. Okay, so this is the new BPI app icon. Just download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. You can see here, check out BPI shortcuts. These are very helpful. You can open a BPI account online. I made a previous video regarding that. Pwede niyong i-check. You can apply for a credit card, invest. I also made a video regarding investing in BPI. You can check that out. Apply for a loan, get insured, and other quick links to some information that are helpful for us. That was under products. Under services, here you have BPI to cash, BPI outward remittance, BPI e-donate, BPI e-gov, BPI quick pay, pay on delivery, auto debit arrangement. So all of these pwede yung gawin in the BPI online app. These are just quick links for your convenience. And of course, information. These are also some added information that could help us out. Okay, let's go back. By the way, the app has this feature that allows you to lock your BPI online access. So very helpful din to. It's an added security just in case, for example, nawala yung phone nyo or you were logged in a different device, pwede nyo siyang i-lock. Okay. And then here you'll see some notifications and QR code. Okay, so login lang tayo. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of similar to the old app. Here you can see their account details, investments, credit cards, and loans. So my account is over here on the lower left side. Transfer, if you want to transfer to own account, another BPI or to another bank. Okay, I have a separate video regarding this. You can check that out. Generally, it's the user interface that changed and a few more added security features. Pay bills. Again, I have a separate video for that. Buy load. Invest. So you could see your investments here. You can view, subscribe, and redeem. Okay. You can check my video regarding how to invest in the BPI app. And then more general settings. Here you can change your password, update mobile number, add a mobile key for added security features. And you can also activate your Face ID for a more efficient way to log into your account. So let's input our password. And yun, Face ID successfully activated. So the next time I log in, I could already use my Face ID without having to input my account number. Push notifications, transaction alerts and offers. Okay, dito, just tick this if you want to be notified. Transactions, link a mobile number or email address. So, imbis na your account number is what you'll give, you could use your mobile number or your email address. So, this is where you link it. QR generator, if you want to generate a QR code, you can check this out. I also have a video of this. You can check it out. So again, this I'm just explaining how to navigate the new online app. But regarding the specific steps on how to navigate each feature, you can check my previous videos because the process is the same. Authentication amount. Set the maximum transaction amount without the need for authentication. Okay, so dito pwede nyong i-set yung maximum amount nyo for bills payment and transfer money to other BPI account. Manage billers and payees. This is how you add, edit, or delete a new biller. Okay, again, I have a video for this. Yeah. Then here in card management, card control. This is a good feature. For example, you have an ATM card and you accidentally lost it. You could temporarily block it. So if anyone ever found it or tried to use it, it'll be blocked. So just click your card and then temporarily block your card. Okay? Or you could also activate for e-commerce access, meaning you can use it for e-commerce purchases or online purchases. Let's try that out. Okay, but I don't want that since I don't really need it. I'll just turn it off. International access, I'll just keep it on just in case. And let's go back. Privilege card if you are a preferred client. So this is where you can see your digital card. You can just save it. Services, so you can reorder checkbooks, stop payment order, view your bank statements, select your account and the date range, and you can just download your statement and you'll instantly be able to view it. Okay, contact us, contact information, products if you want to create a new deposit account or avail of their insurance. That's it, guys. Just a quick overview of what we can see on the new BPI app.
Generally, I like the new app. Mas malinis siya. It's neat. The texts are bigger. Ang ganda tignan. It's easy to navigate and it's user-friendly. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!